Team coverage of the coronavirus outbreak continues now.
We haven't seen the peak yet, and that's still coming, and I suspect it's going to be around for a while before it gets controlled.
As the number of COVID-19 cases are expected to grow, health providers are working to get more patients suspected of having the virus tested. Waterbury Hospital is the latest facility to open a drive-through sampling station. Channel 3's Aya Galal takes us inside.
Waterbury Hospital is preparing for an increase in the number of people infected with COVID-19. The new drive-through sampling station is right outside the emergency department.
So having the benefit of this testing zone, it allows us to be more efficient. We can test those patients that have low symptoms, that are at low risk, and we can do it here rather than sending them to the ER or to their PCP to get tested.
Dr. Justin Lundby, the chief medical officer at Waterbury Hospital, says the patient must receive an order from his or her physician before they could pull up. Once that form is submitted by the doctor or the patient, individuals can pull up to the drive-through and step out.
We will swab them over there, collect the specimen in a very careful way so that we don't expose anybody else, seal it up, and bring it into the tent.
Staff wear protective gear and swabs are taken from the nose in a meticulous way so that nobody is infected. Inside the tent is where the collected samples are processed before they get shipped off to a private lab.
We put that in a medium and it gets transported to our lab facility where we can submit it for testing.
The process is pretty quick for anyone who fears they may have contracted the virus. The drive-through sampling also allows the hospital to function in a safe and productive way.
It protects the rest of the public, the staff, and it creates our hospital to be more efficient so we can take care of the truly ill patients that require our attention immediately.
It takes about 3 to 5 days for results to come back, so during that time, the patient must self-quarantine. Greenwich and Bristol are the other towns where drive-through sampling stations have opened.
I think it's going to get worse. We're going to have more people get the disease. The good news is that most people will get better.
The sampling station in Waterbury is open 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Reporting in Waterbury, Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.